In this video, I'll continue with higher order derivatives of Unit 3 Calculus. Here I will discuss about parametric functions. Now before seeing the derivatives of parametric functions, first we will see what are parametric functions. We have seen that when we are able to express y as a function of x, then those functions are called explicit functions. On the other hand, if we have functions of the form f of x comma y equal to 0, then those functions are called implicit functions. When the relation between x and y is expressed through a third variable, then those functions are called these parametric functions, and the third variable is called the parameter. Say for example, when x is expressed as a function of t and y is also expressed as another function of t, then we call such functions as parametric functions, or these functions are in the parametric form. Now how to find dy by dx for these functions? Now using chain rule, we can write dy by dt is equal to dy by dx into dx by dt. So from here we get dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by. So first we have to differentiate y with respect to t, and then differentiate x with respect to t, and when we divide these two, we will get dy by dx. Here dx by dt is not equal to 0. So this is how we have to find dy by dx for the functions in parametric forms. Now we'll do some practice questions. Find dy by dx, x is equal to 4t, y is equal to 2t square. So first we will find dx by dt, it is 4, and dy by dt is 4t. So we just now saw using chain rule, we know that dy by dt is dy by dx into dx by dt. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by, or this is equal to dy by dt is 4t and dx by dt is 4. So dy by dx is equal to t. Next one, find dy by dx when x is equal to 2at square and y is equal to at raised to 4. So we have dx by dt is equal to 4at and dy by dt is equal to 4at. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by, dy by dt is 4at cube and dx by dt is 4at. So t cube by t is t square. Therefore dy by dx is equal to t square. Next question, find dy by dx. X is equal to 4t and y is equal to 4 5. So here dx by dt is 4 and dy by dt is minus 4 by t square. Now dy by dx equal to dy by dt the whole divided by dx by, dy by dt is minus 4 by t square and dx by dt is 4. So this is equal to minus 4 by 4 t square, or it is minus 1 by. Therefore dy by dx equal to minus 1 by. Here we will see how to find the second order derivative of parametric functions. So we know that dy by dx can be calculated as dy by dt the whole divided by dx by dt. Now the second order derivative, that is d square y by dx square, it is nothing but d by dx of dy by dx. So this is equal to, again using chain rule, we can differentiate dy by dx first with respect to t, and then we can differentiate t with respect to x. Or we can write this as d by dt of dy by dx the whole divided by dx by. So again dx by dt not equal to. So this is how we have to find second order derivative when the functions are given in the parametric form. We have to differentiate dy by dx with respect to t divided by dx by dt. Find d square y by dx square when x is equal to 8t square, y is equal to 2at. So first let us find dx by dt. It is 2at and dy by dt is 2a. So dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Dy by dt is 2a, dx by dt is 2a. So this is equal to 1 by t. Now d square y by dx square is d by dt of dy by dx the whole divided by dx by. So this is equal to d by dt of 1 by t the whole divided by dx by dt is 2at. So the derivative of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square into 1 by 2at. So it is equal to minus 1 by 2at. Therefore, d square y by dx square equal to minus 1 by 2at. Next question, find d square y by dx square when x is equal to t square by 1 plus t and y is equal to t by 1 plus t. So first let us find dx by dt. Dx by dt is equal to, here 1 plus t the whole square. Keep the denominator and differentiate the numerator, minus keep the numerator and differentiate the denominator. So this is equal to, it is 2t plus 2t square minus t square. So it is 2t plus t square divided by 1 plus t the whole square. This is dx by dt. Then dy by dt is 1 plus t the whole square into 1 plus t into derivative of numerator is 1 minus t, or this is equal to 1 by 1 plus t the whole square. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by dt the whole divided by dx by. Dy by dt is 1 by 1 plus t square, sorry 1 by 1 plus t the whole square. Dx by dt is 2t plus t square divided by 1 plus t the whole square. So these two will go. This is equal to 1 by 2t plus t square. Now d square y by dx square is equal to d by dt of dy by dx. You have to differentiate dy by dx with respect to t, the whole divided by dx by. Here it is 2t plus t square, the whole raised to minus 1. So the derivative will be minus 1 by 2t plus t square, the whole square, into derivative of this function. So it will be 2 plus 2t. The whole divided by dx by dt is 2t plus t square divided by 1 plus t the whole square. 2t plus t square divided by 1 plus t the whole square. So this is equal to minus 2 into 1 plus t divided by 2t plus t square the whole square into 1 plus t the whole square divided by 2t plus t square, or this is equal to minus 2 into 1 plus t the whole cube divided by 2t plus t square the whole cube. So this is d square y by dx square. Next question, find d square y by dx square when x is equal to 1 minus t by 1 plus t and y is equal to 2t by 1 plus t. So first we will calculate dx by dt. Dx by dt is denominator 1 plus t the whole square. Keep the denominator and differentiate the numerator minus numerator into derivative of the denominator. So this is equal to minus 1 minus t minus 1 plus divided by 1 plus t the whole square. So it is equal to minus 2 by 1 plus t the whole square. dy by dt is we have to differentiate this function with respect to t. So 1 plus t the whole square will be in the denominator, and here we will have 1 plus t into 2 minus 2t into 1, or this is equal to 2 plus 2t minus 2t divided by 1 plus t the whole square. So plus 2t minus 2t will go. So it is 2 divided by 1 plus t the whole square. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. dy by dt is 2 by 1 plus t the whole square, and dx by dt is minus 2 by 1 plus t the whole square. So this is equal to minus 1. Now d square y by dx square is the derivative of dy by dx, that is derivative of minus 1. So this is equal to d by dx of minus 1. Since it is a constant function, it is equal to 0. Since we do not have the presence of the parameter t, we can find the second derivative from dy by dx directly. Therefore, d square y by dx square is equal to I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching.